results on a door paint we just finished up last night around 8:30. That was a fun time, but here you go. Turned out great. Backside we did a solid stain due to concrete, sheet metal white. And the other side we did a little nice wood fender. This is the Bear Premium coffee. I love it. It goes on so smooth, just like butter. This fence was disgusting. I didn't want to have any issues with all this concrete. We had a mess up here, and most of it up, so I'm pretty happy with that. Overall, that part looks great. That fence looks brand new. You can tell it wasn't originally not that color. Again, you see different products on this fence. My choices. The backside is solid. The side is a race stain. See the comparison there. They both look wood gray. This is what nasty is. I think this. See the difference in the wood there. The oil base is going to bring up the grain, all the knots of the wood. That solid stain just covers all that from the distance. All these little bright spots down up here. These trash dumps are kind of amazing. But overall, very happy with the job. It's taking us forever to get it done because of the weather. But even the gnomes love my work. Isn't that awesome? That's pretty cool. Cool stuff you see along your way. Overall, very happy with this project. Call Them Stain Guys 405-481-6866 or themstainguys.com for more information. Booking is now into June 1st, so book now.